If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back, Injective family, it's Louis Crypto here. In the last update, as we did push through that level of resistance we were considering Injective to be bearish under, which was $8, as well as this dead cat bounce zone over here, we were suggesting before the breakout that if this does hold as resistance, we're going to continue on a path downwards back down to this low. However, we always look at both scenarios in the video. The title might say one thing, it has to be definitive. It has to be saying, oh, this is going to happen, or that is going to happen. But in the actual videos, we always look at it both ways, because what we want to do is prepare for both scenarios, and you just simply take the one that is being showed. So as we broke through this area, you're negating this path down, and in fact I also prepared you for the bullish targets as well. I think in the last video update we were somewhere over here, and I was suggesting that as long as we hold above this level that was meant to keep us bearish, but now a support which we saw over here, so it's probably around here that I made the video, we came back down as support. We did not lose it, and because we did not lose it, you're now flipping what should have kept us bearish into support. So we're not bearish if we're above that point and holding it as our low. So that is why I was suggesting that we could be meeting all of these targets, and Injective just doesn't care. Push through all of our targets. This is absolutely incredible, but it does suggest that it's coming to a point where it's going to top out soon, because we've gone past all of the targets. We've met all the targets. So at least we need, in the short term, need to see at least some bearish movement. Doesn't mean that we're going to come crashing down and lose this. As of now, it can of course happen. But yeah, right now what we need to be looking out for is, let me just zoom out to the daily time frame for you guys. I just need to place some new sets of fibs as we met all these targets over here. Let me just get rid of this. Put a new fib on this high, $9.92, to this low, $6.40. And we can see that we've come up to that one fib level. So if we do manage to see a daily candle close above this $9.92 high, then we have these targets to look up to in the coming future. Could take some days, could take some weeks, could take some months. It depends on what the reaction is from this point. We could be coming down from here. However, the next set of targets would be between $11, $12, and $13 for Injective. So is Injective in a bull market? That is the question. Well, in fact, I actually gave you this bullish signal from down here in September, over a month ago, with this bullish divergence down here on the 200 EMA. And this is the daily time frame. So while we are maintaining above it, we are in this daily uptrend. So you could say that at least on the daily time frame, it is in a bull market. To further confirm that stance, we need to break above this high. So I'm also going to mark out this wick over here because it is slightly higher. I think this is the more important one, but I'm going to be using fibs from here to here as that's our most recent dump. And so we need to break actually above the level of, let's just say $10, as that's a psychological level. So if we do now start to see bearish divergences on the daily, let's check now right now. No, I'm not seeing any at the moment. Let's check on the 4 hour. I'm not really getting some bearish candlesticks right now, so I'm not expecting to see it. This high, not really, no, none at the moment. But if we do start to see some, let me actually zoom into over here. No bearish divergences as of now. So there's not really any weakness at the moment. Let's wait for this daily candle close. If it is closing above $10, then this is a very bullish sign for Injective, and that it wants to continue at least this daily time frame bull market and head over to the $11, $12, and $13 area. All it now really needs to do is maintain above $8 to $8.50, this nice 50-cent range. And while doing so, we're going to consistently see higher prices. All that could happen from here if we do get rejected and fail to see the closure above $10 is that we come down to these key levels. Whether we get the bounce from the 786 and continue up, or we do have like a small dead cat bounce and come down all the way to the golden pocket, we would still be above the moving averages. You can see we'd still, and this one. So we'd consider this bullish still. You're just coming down for a bearish retest of previous support, or bullish retest, sorry, and then continuing up over here. Well, previous resistance, now support, my apologies. So as long as we now maintain above this point, which is what was meant to keep us bearish, because again, while you are underneath it, and we did actually have some bearish candlesticks over here, which was the trick. you'd then say the reversal wave hasn't been created. But as we've now pushed through the golden pocket, all that needs to happen is hold this as support, break the breakout high. So come down, break the breakout high like that, and then we're onwards and upwards to $11 to $13. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, share. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates. So you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.